Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Bank of Baroda not working. If your app is not working properly, don't worry. In this video, I will show you simple and easy step to the fix problem. Just follow each step carefully. The first step is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working and then turn your Wi-Fi off and then on again or switch to mobile data also, and by opening any website to test internet. If internet is not working, your app will not work properly. So the second step is restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many problems, and this helps remove small bugs and glitches. The another step is update the app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version and go to the Play Store or App Store, search for the app and tap on update option if it is available. Sometimes old version may not work properly. And the another step is clear app cache. Clearing cache can fix loading and caching issues. So go to your phone setting, tap on app management or apps, open app list or app, then search for looking app, tap on storage and cache, click the clear cache, and the last step is reinstall the app. If none of these works, reinstall the app and restart your phone. Install the app again from Play Store or App Store, and by doing all of it, this gives a fresh start to the app. If none of this helps, then you can contact to the customer service of the app by going help center, and they may help you to solve the issue coming on the app. So that's it. These are the best way to fix app problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and follow more helpful tutorial.